Every fall, I treat my family to caramel popcorn. I received this recipe about 20 years ago from a coworker, and it still stands as the best caramel popcorn I've ever eaten. You'll need to start with 6 quarts of plain popcorn. I pop mine in the microwave by starting with a half a cup of popcorn in a large glass bowl. Cover it with a plate and microwave it for about 4.5 minutes on high power. All microwaves are a little bit different, so yours might pop faster or a little slower. Continue to repeat until you have 6 quarts. Then spread your popcorn on a sprayed baking sheet and set aside. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees and then gather your ingredients to make the caramel. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine your butter, your brown sugar, your corn syrup, and your salt. You'll want to use a metal spoon to stir this, not a rubber spatula, as your caramel will get very hot. Stir often as the caramel heats and the ingredients melt and combine. Don't remove your caramel from the heat. I'm just showing you what it looks like when your caramel comes to a boil. When it bubbles and comes to a boil, you'll want to set the timer for 5 minutes. During that 5 minutes, you'll want to keep your sauce under control by adjusting your heat and not allowing it to boil over. After 5 minutes of boiling, remove the caramel from the heat and add your vanilla and your baking soda. Then pour the caramel over the popcorn as evenly as possible. And stir well. Your popcorn will bake for 1 hour, removing it from the oven and stirring every 15 minutes. After the last 15 minutes, remove your caramel popcorn from the baking sheet and allow it to cool. Caramel popcorn keeps best in airtight tins. Please hit the cupcake to subscribe, and thanks for watching.